facing challenges and problems, first start with small ones. Don't wait till they come to you. Go find them and have a tough challenge and overcome it. Have a tough problem and solve it. Then attack a bigger problem. Then attack a bigger problem. Each time you defeat a problem, you get stronger. Each time you face something tough and don't quit, you get stronger. Then you're ready for something a bit bigger and a bit bigger. In this way, over weeks and months and years, you will get stronger and stronger and stronger, tougher and tougher and tougher. You will develop this never quit attitude. That's how I have done it over many, many years. I've gotten stronger and tougher by facing first small problems, first small challenges, first small difficulties, then a little bigger, a little bigger, a little bigger, and I'm getting stronger and stronger and tougher and tougher. You can also. So when you're facing a problem with English, and I'm not improving enough, it's difficult, don't stop yourself from complaining. Stop and focus on the problem and attack the problem. Attack the challenge. Enjoy the challenge. Enjoy the tough time and get stronger. And also in your personal life, if your girlfriend leaves you, if you have a hard time at your job or in school, don't complain. Enjoy the challenge. Attack the problem. You will get, over weeks and months and years, stronger, stronger, stronger. Develop your never quit attitude. You can do it. You will do it. You will achieve your dream life. You will succeed. Never quit. Never quit. Never quit. Go to effortlessenglishclub.com, effortlessenglishclub.com. Join my Power English course or my VIP program, effortlessenglishclub.com. See you next time. Bye for now.